Hello, welcome back to LucidityLeah. I'm Leah. Thank you for tuning in. Today is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing an at-home photo shoot. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We're first going to be starting off with concealer. I'm going to be doing my makeup first, and then I'll get into my hair and then the shoot. I'm just starting off with LA Pro Girl Concealer. I'm not going to try to name everything. I have a video up that was like a red look I did that has all the products I usually use for a regular beat in there, so you can tune into that and you'll find that there in the comments. I'll just leave them below so that you guys can check out the links to those. But yeah, so I'm just highlighting under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and now I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender. I usually start on the side where my contour is, just to lighten it up before I add like the darkness to make it, you know, more defined. And then I'm going in with my black Radiance palette. Love this for contouring and for bronzing. There's also a highlighter in there. I don't use it too much, but it's a pretty good highlighter. And I'm just going on the sides of my face. I'm moving on to add some bronzer. I usually beat my face a little different. I start with everything that's under the makeup. So I do bronzer, I'll do my blush, I'll do my concealer, then I go in with my foundation on top of everything at the end, and you'll see that. And I'm just going in now to blend in my concealer. I don't know what number brush this is, but I really like how it blends out the concealer on my face. And now, as you can see, I finished blending everything out, so I'm just going in with my Black Radiance SPF BB cream. Really love this stuff. It's very light. Going in with my powder, my setting powder. Now I'm just blending it out, taking it off, making sure it's in there, buffed in. Yeah, I really love this stuff. Really good to have a matte face. Now I'm just going in and making sure everything is blended out before I go back in to add, you know, just some more touches of blush and bronzer. This is just a quick beat, so I didn't keep too much of all the clips of the makeup in. I just wanted you guys to see me kind of just beat my face a little bit. Like I said, my other video has a full beat face, and I think I'm gonna pump out maybe some more makeup looks for you guys. Going on to my eyeshadow. I'm doing a very different look. I'm doing some black, which is not my usual, but I wanted to like spruce it up. And I went in with some pink. This is like a pasty kind of eyeshadow. I really liked it though, because it just kind of gave me like a new base to put any lighter colors on. Because you know, if you use black, it kind of eats up any lighter colors. So then I'm going in with a red shade. This is by the Jackie Aina palette. Love that palette. Added my lashes off camera just because it was easier, and that was like the whole look for my eyeshadow. Very simple, very light. I'm now going back in and just adding some more bronzer, some highlight now. Just making sure my face looks glowy and dewy. Yeah, some on my cheek too. Trophy Wife highlighter by Fenty Beauty. Love that stuff. And I'm also going in with Trophy Wife on the corners of my eyes. This is just to give it a little bit of sparkle. Love how that looks. Yeah, really cute, simple. She's bad, she's cute. And now I'm going in with my Dr. Pawpaw tinted gloss. I love this stuff for your lips. It just looks so good, and it just blends in so nicely with my gloss. And that is the look for makeup. Really quick. Now we're gonna get into hair. My hair looks a hot mess, girl. Oh my goodness. Hot mess. That pink. Yes, we need to do something with it. So now I think I'm just going in with cream right here. I usually use the TGI buttercream. I'm just going in with that. Adding some water to rejuvenate, get some curls back in there. The curls are coming to life. Yes. And in the back, I'm just adding some more water. And then I go in with my Got To Be glue. The style I was going for today was really sleek. I wanted to look really chill and cute and sleek for my photo shoot. So I just went in with the Got To Be, and it slicked my hair down really well. Now I'm just brushing it, making sure it's all pushed back. And now I'm doing my edges. I usually use the EBIN edge control. That's like my staple. I'll never use another edge control besides that one. Love that stuff. And I'm just going in around my hairline to get my edges together. And making my swoops. My favorite brush to do edges with. This edge brush is like the best. Got it at my beauty supply store. And I'm just making my swoops. Making sure it's nice and slick back. I honestly love doing my edges. It's like so therapeutic to me. Look at those edges. Now look at the other side. Let's get that together. Yeah, I love doing my edges. It's so therapeutic. Feels so good. It just like adds to the look. Like, you can't have your makeup done and not have your edges. Come on now. It's like parsley. I say it's like a parsley to your hairstyle. But yeah, just getting those swoops in. And now I'm just slicking it back with some clips to make sure my hair stays. Like I said, I just wanted to go for like a sleek look today. Nothing too crazy. And the other side, we're just going in with a clip. That actually was really easy. So cute, so simple. Yeah, she's cute. Look at that face. So beat. So flawless. Yes, the clips say hope and peace, but I didn't really put that in. Now look at her. Yes, mama. She's cute. Yes. So now we're gonna go into me shooting. I wanted to add a little bit of what I shot. I'm using right here. So I have a Canon M50 Mark II. And it comes with a feature where you can have like an app. And basically when you see me looking at my phone, I'm just using the app to take the photo on the camera. Like game changer. Love this. Yes, she's posing. But yeah, so you can see I'm checking to look and make sure that it's coming out good. Making sure my poses are right. And I can see, there's like a viewfinder. So I can see how I look on my phone from where the camera is. Like it'll tell me how I'm looking, what the pose is looking like. And if you see the flash, it's because I have it on a timer. And yes, she dip it and doing it's giving model status. And I just set this up in my room. Like I love doing an at-home photo shoot by myself. Saves me so much money, getting some content out, and it came out great. If you check my Instagram, you'll see all these photos posted looking like a baddie. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you like the makeup. Let me know how you feel about the photo shoot. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!